How's it going, guys? My name is Vince. I'm here with Trail 7, and I'm here to show you how to set up your Key Amp 200.4 in a non-B&O Bronco. The first thing we want to do is make sure all the EQ settings are reset. So we want to go into the head unit, into the settings, and then sound, and then tone settings, and just make sure we press reset all. So the next step is to make sure the gains on the amplifier is turned all the way down. Out of the box, it should be, but just make sure using a small flathead screwdriver. So next we want to play pink noise through the system. I'm going to search on YouTube for pink noise. And we want to make sure the volume's turned up between 15 and 20. All right, next we want to take the microphone, put it through the provided sleeve, and place it on top of the headrest. At this point, pink noise should be playing. So you want to take this EQ switch that's connected to the mic and press it twice rapidly. After that, you want to close the doors. It's going to count down and it's going to do its test. So once the configuration is complete, it's going to play a happy song or a happy tone. You can open up the door and take this EQ switch, and you can now switch between the EQ'd setup or a default setup. The EQ setup will sound typically higher and clearer than the default. Okay, that's it. It's a very easy process. Only takes about 10 minutes to do. If you're interested in picking up this Key 200.4 amp, visit us at www.trail7.com. And until next time, we'll see you out there.